Okay, this is a baby bird. I do not know what it is. If it's a baby grackle. I think it's a baby grackle. So I'm gonna leave because I don't want it to get scared and fly into the street. But the only reason why I knew it was there is because when I passed by this bush, he called out. Yeah, it's a grackle. Poor thing. Look, he's all alone in the bush. There's no nest, and I don't know where it came from. See? Oh. And here's a baby walking on the street. There he's a little baby heron. He doesn't know which way to go.
Hi. We're from Missouri. Where can we park to go see a beach?
All right, so here's a baby crow calling to his crow mother. Or not a baby crow, it's like a younger crow. There's 3 crows right here. And he wants them to bring him food.